Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you schedule Facebook Reels for free in Business Meta Suite. So guys, from your Facebook page select Meta Business Suite. Also you can go to the URL business.facebook.com. Now to schedule any Facebook Reel, click on Planner. From here you can just select the date by clicking month, and you can select the date from here. I'm just selecting a random date and click the plus icon beside the date. Here you can see create reel. Click on create reel. Now you can add video, photo, anything. I'm just adding video. Now you can add the caption of the video. You can choose the thumbnail, like adding frame, upload image. You can add a collaborator. You can add a collaborator name or URL by adding a collaborator. You can scan the reel from here, and after that click on next. Here you can see you can add audio from here. You can add song that is suggested here. You can search for audio as well, and after that click on next. You can share it to groups. You can add it to your playlist as well. You can add a poll. You can also allow gifts, which is optional, and after all that click on share. Now all you need to do is just wait for the reel. Let's just refresh it. Here you can see after refreshing it a few times, the reels is showing, which will be published on the date. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.